Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got some more quarter panel body work goodness going on right here on this 2013 Ford Focus. As you can see, somebody didn't like the way it looked, so they changed it a little bit, and they want me to repair this. So they've got a new door coming. I'm not even going to attempt to fix all the stuff in this door. I'm just going to fix this part of the quarter panel right here. We're going to wind up blending the paint. I believe the door they're bringing is the same color, so it's just a bolt-on kind of thing. And that's that. So stick along for the ride. We'll get some more body work done here. I hope you like it. Okay, what I'm going to do here on this car is I'm going to start it off with a little 80 grit sanding action here. And then once I get it down to the metal, I've got a stud gun. I'm going to weld a few studs on here, knock it out. I'm going to have to, work it a little bit, get it close, and then we'll use some filler to finish it up. So let's get started. Okay, this here is the stud gun I'm talking about. I just picked this one up at Harbor Freight. Has a little tip on it right here and a little hole. Here are the studs. You just slide them down inside here like this. You'll hold it up against where you want to put it, and you want to press in on it to ground it. You press in on it and it'll weld that stud. Then you can use a slide hammer and slide it back, and it pops that dent out. One thing you always want to do if you're going to use a stud gun is you want to disconnect your battery. That's very important because it can, welding to a vehicle with a battery connected, these newer vehicles with computers and things can fry the computer in them. So you always, anytime you're welding on a vehicle that has a computer, disconnect the battery. Okay, now when you're putting these studs in here, I always try to put them down in where the most part of the dent is. Like I said, I've already slid the stud down in there. Press in on it. Oh, we got to get a good ground here. And then you just want to push the button for maybe 2 or 3 seconds. It doesn't take very long. Then we'll slide our hammer over, press our locking piece down on the stud. Okay everybody, this is where we're at so far. I've finished what I can do with the stud gun. We've got it pulled out some. One of the studs burnt through right there. I'm gonna have to work it a little bit more tomorrow. It's getting close to the end of the day today, and we got family coming over for a cookout. Hey everyone, back on the Focus here, working on this quarter panel. I've put some short strand fiberglass filler in here to fill in everything. Now I'm gonna have to sand it all down. I went ahead and taped it off so I don't get the sand dust in the car. And I've also gone ahead and changed the door. The door had a lot of damage across here. And to do that, you have a Torx bit screw here. I believe it's a T40. And then there's one 13mm bolt here, one 13mm bolt here, right here, and then the plug. Just pull this plug out, and all you do is push in on this side and push in, open the front door and push in on the other side, and it'll pop out. and then there's 2 plugs in there. You push the tabs in and unplug them. So I'm gonna sand this down, get it ready for paint. Okay everyone, we're done with the Focus. You see it's painted. I replaced the door, repaired the damage here, painted it, clear coated it, open the door. There you go. Door shuts good. Close enough for government work. That'll do on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the link below. Check out our website, rossrodshop.com. Got some gear on there for sale. Help support the website. We'll see you next time. Thank you.